Rebuild yourself. Let me be real with you. Life doesn't wait for you to be ready. It doesn't care if you're tired, broken, lost, or confused. It comes anyway. And sometimes it hits you so hard that you don't even recognize yourself afterward. You look in the mirror and see someone who failed, someone who gave it their all, and it still wasn't enough. I know that feeling. I've been there. But here's the truth. The world will break you. That's guaranteed. The real question is, will you rebuild? 1. A personal story of failure. When I was younger, I failed more times than I can count. I applied to over 30 jobs. Every single one rejected me. Even KFC didn't want me. I wasn't talented, I wasn't rich, I wasn't considered smart in the traditional sense. But I had one thing most people give up on too soon: belief. Not belief that I was the best, not belief that I'd win quickly, but belief that if I kept rebuilding after every failure, eventually I would become unstoppable. Not by force, not by luck, but by patience, by resilience. 2. Facing the ruins, not running away. Here's what most people do when life falls apart. They run. They numb themselves. They distract with social media, shallow pleasures, blaming the world. But nothing changes when you look away. Rebuilding means standing in front of the wreckage of your life and saying, "Okay, this is what's left. Let's begin again." Yes, it hurts. Yes, it's uncomfortable. But discomfort is the birthplace of growth. 3. Redefining change. Most people say they want growth, but they don't want to change. They want a new life, but they cling to old habits. They say they want to rebuild, but they hold on to toxic people, to patterns that keep dragging them down. Listen carefully. The version of you that got destroyed is not the version that will rise. You need to become new, not by magic, but by choice, every single day. 4. Responsibility and discipline. The most important choice you will ever make is to take responsibility. Not just for your wins, but for your losses. Not just for your dreams, but for your discipline. The world is full of people with potential, but potential means nothing without execution. Rebuilding isn't about motivation. Motivation fades. Rebuilding requires discipline. Waking up when you don't want to. Working when it's hard. Continuing when no one claps for you. Success is not built in one moment. It's built in thousands of invisible nights of quiet work. 7. Sacrifice and letting go. If you want to rebuild, you can't carry the weight of your old life into your new one. That might mean changing your environment. That might mean cutting ties with people who doubt you, mock you, or drain your energy. It might mean sacrificing comfort for a while, because freedom often comes after sacrifice. Ask yourself, what are you willing to give up to become who you were meant to be? 7. Redefining success. Redefine success. It's not money, it's not fame, it's not status. Those are side effects. True success is waking up with clarity, peace, and purpose. It's living aligned with your values. It's doing meaningful work that helps others. It's becoming the person you once admired. That's the real goal. And the path begins the moment you stop surviving and start rebuilding. 8. A powerful message, emotional closing. I rebuilt myself through failure, through humiliation, through rejection. And I still rebuild every day, because there's always another level, another challenge, another version of yourself waiting to be discovered. You never truly arrive, you just keep evolving, and that's beautiful. So wherever you are right now, if you're broke, if you're lost, if you're doubting yourself, remember this. This is not your ending. This is your construction site. Lay the first brick today, then another, and another, quietly, consistently. And one day, the world will look at you and say, "Where did this person come from?" And you'll know the answer. I rose from the ashes. I rebuilt myself.